7 powerful foods to lower your blood sugar. Did you know that some foods can help lower your blood sugar naturally? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Want to discover simple, everyday foods that support healthy blood sugar levels? Well, stick around, because in this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful foods you should eat today to help lower your blood sugar and feel your best. Blood sugar control is key to managing diabetes and maintaining overall health. But the good news is there are foods that can help you manage it naturally. Many people rely solely on medication to control blood sugar. But did you know that food choices can have just as big an impact on your levels? Making smarter food choices can make a huge difference in how your body handles glucose. Stay tuned as we dive into 7 powerful foods that can help lower your blood sugar and improve your overall well-being. Number 1. Bitter melon. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd, is a powerhouse when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. This unique vegetable has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Asia and Africa, for its ability to regulate glucose. Studies have shown that bitter melon can help lower blood sugar by increasing insulin sensitivity, making it an excellent addition to the diet for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Bitter melon contains several active compounds, including charantin, polypeptide P, and malmorticin, which have been found to mimic the effects of insulin. These compounds help to improve the body's ability to absorb and use glucose, reducing the overall blood sugar levels in the body. The natural compounds in bitter melon also help to regulate glucose metabolism, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels, especially for those with diabetes. In addition to its blood sugar-lowering properties, bitter melon is a rich source of antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, factors that can contribute to insulin resistance. By promoting better insulin function, bitter melon can be a natural way to support healthy blood sugar control without relying solely on medications. Incorporating bitter melon into your diet is easier than you might think. You can add it to stir-fries, curries, or smoothies. If you're new to the taste, try sautéing it with garlic, onions, and other vegetables to balance out the bitterness. Another great way to enjoy bitter melon is by juicing it. Just be prepared for its distinct, strong flavor, which some people find quite intense. If you're not sure how to start, you can also find bitter melon supplements, but it's always best to opt for whole foods to get the full nutritional benefits. Adding bitter melon to your meals regularly can be an easy, natural way to lower your blood sugar and support overall health. So, the next time you're in the grocery store or farmer's market, grab some bitter melon and give it a try. Number 2. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a tasty spice that adds flavor to your favorite foods. It's also a powerful tool in managing blood sugar. Packed with antioxidants, cinnamon has been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. By enhancing the body's ability to respond to insulin, cinnamon can make it easier for your cells to absorb glucose, preventing dangerous blood sugar spikes and crashes. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help lower fasting blood sugar levels and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. This makes it particularly beneficial for those with diabetes or anyone looking to keep their blood sugar in check. One of the active compounds in cinnamon, called cinnamaldehyde, has been found to increase insulin sensitivity, meaning your body is more efficient at processing glucose. Additionally, cinnamon may slow the digestion of carbohydrates, further helping to prevent sharp increases in blood sugar after eating. Not only is cinnamon a great blood sugar regulator, but it's also rich in antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 key factors in the development of insulin resistance. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage, making cinnamon an excellent choice for overall health and well-being. Incorporating cinnamon into your daily routine is simple and delicious. You can sprinkle it on your oatmeal, coffee, or yogurt for a quick and easy blood sugar-friendly addition to your meals. If you enjoy baking, try adding cinnamon to muffins or homemade granola for a flavorful twist. Another great way to enjoy cinnamon is by adding it to smoothies or even savory dishes like curries or stews for a warm and aromatic flavor. For maximum benefits, it's best to use Ceylon cinnamon, often referred to as true cinnamon, as it contains lower levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. So, whether you're looking to lower blood sugar, reduce inflammation, or simply enjoy a delicious and healthy addition to your meals, cinnamon is a spice you don't want to miss out on. Number 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are some of the best foods you can eat to support healthy blood sugar levels. These greens are low in carbohydrates, which means they won't cause spikes in blood sugar after eating, making them an ideal choice for anyone managing diabetes or looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. What makes leafy greens so special is their high nutrient content. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. For example, kale is rich in vitamin K, which plays a key role in reducing inflammation, while spinach provides a great source of magnesium, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, leafy greens contain folate, vitamin C, and a variety of other essential nutrients that promote a healthy immune system and protect your body from oxidative stress. But the real magic of leafy greens lies in their fiber content. Fiber is a key player in stabilizing blood sugar, as it slows the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes. The fiber in leafy greens also helps promote healthy digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and supports heart health, all of which are important for managing blood sugar levels. The antioxidants found in leafy greens are another reason they're great for blood sugar control. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation in the body, which can contribute to insulin resistance and higher blood sugar levels. By reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, leafy greens may help improve insulin sensitivity and promote better blood sugar regulation. Incorporating more leafy greens into your diet is easy and delicious. Add them to salads, toss them into smoothies for a nutritious boost, or sauté them with a bit of olive oil and garlic for a quick and healthy side dish. You can also sneak leafy greens into soups, stews, and even omelets for an added nutrient punch. If you're looking for an easy way to improve your blood sugar control and boost your nutrient intake, leafy greens are a must-have in your diet. They're versatile, nutrient-dense, and most importantly, they help keep your blood sugar stable and your body healthy. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are more than just a trendy food. They're a powerhouse when it comes to supporting healthy blood sugar levels. These creamy fruits are packed with heart-healthy fats, which play a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar. Unlike carbohydrates or sugary foods, healthy fats slow down the digestion and absorption of sugar, helping to prevent those unwanted spikes in blood sugar that can occur after meals. This makes avocado an excellent addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. The healthy fats in avocados are mostly monounsaturated fats, which are known for their ability to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity is important because it allows your body to process glucose more efficiently, keeping blood sugar levels within a healthy range. By improving insulin sensitivity, avocados can help reduce the risk of insulin resistance, a key factor in developing type 2 diabetes. Another great thing about avocados is their fiber content. A single avocado contains a significant amount of fiber, which further helps to regulate blood sugar by slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. The fiber in avocados also promotes satiety, helping you feel full longer and preventing overeating, which can lead to blood sugar fluctuations. But the benefits of avocados don't stop there. They're also rich in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels and maintain proper hydration, both of which are essential for regulating blood pressure and blood sugar. Avocados are also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect cells from oxidative damage and support overall health. Incorporating avocados into your meals is easy and delicious. You can enjoy avocado on whole grain toast for a simple, satisfying breakfast, add it to salads for a creamy texture, or blend it into smoothies for a rich and nutritious boost. You can even use avocado in savory dishes, such as guacamole, or incorporate it into baked goods to replace unhealthy fats. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your diet in a variety of ways. For anyone looking to manage their blood sugar naturally, avocados are a must-try food. With their healthy fats, fiber, and nutrient profile, they're a tasty and effective way to support blood sugar control while enjoying a delicious meal. Number 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are small but mighty when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. Packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, they make an excellent addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. These nutrient-dense foods not only provide a satisfying snack but also offer long-lasting energy while preventing harmful blood sugar spikes. One of the key benefits of nuts and seeds is their ability to slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. The combination of healthy fats and fiber in these foods helps regulate the release of sugar, preventing the rapid rise in blood sugar that often occurs after consuming high-carbohydrate foods. This steady release of energy ensures that your blood sugar remains stable throughout the day, helping to avoid those dreaded energy crashes and sudden cravings. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, along with seeds like chia, flax, and sunflower, are rich in fiber, which aids digestion and contributes to better blood sugar control. Fiber also promotes feelings of fullness, which can prevent overeating and help with weight management, an important factor in managing blood sugar. Additionally, these foods contain heart-healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. These small, crunchy foods are also high in antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative damage and support overall health. Walnuts, for example, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to support heart health and may play a role in improving insulin function. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also loaded with omega-3s, along with lignans, which are compounds that may help reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Another advantage of nuts and seeds is their versatility. They can be enjoyed on their own as a snack, mixed into yogurt, sprinkled over salads, or blended into smoothies. Adding a handful of these nutrient-packed foods to your meals is an easy way to support stable blood sugar levels while enjoying a tasty and satisfying treat. For those looking to manage their blood sugar, nuts and seeds are a fantastic option. Their combination of healthy fats, fiber, and protein makes them an excellent choice for promoting blood sugar balance and overall health. So, next time you need a snack or want to add some crunch to your meal, reach for a handful of almonds, walnuts, chia, or flax seeds. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic isn't just a flavorful addition to your meals, it also comes with impressive blood sugar lowering benefits. Packed with powerful compounds, garlic has been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, making it a fantastic food for anyone looking to support their metabolic health. One of garlic's key benefits is its ability to enhance insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone that helps regulate blood sugar by allowing your cells to absorb glucose from the bloodstream. When your cells become resistant to insulin, it can lead to higher blood sugar levels. However, garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively and keep blood sugar levels stable. In addition to boosting insulin sensitivity, garlic has been found to support glucose metabolism. This means it can help your body process and regulate sugar more efficiently, preventing spikes in blood sugar after meals. Garlic also contains sulfur compounds that have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can help reduce oxidative stress, another contributor to insulin resistance and poor blood sugar control. Garlic can also support healthy blood circulation, further promoting better blood sugar regulation. Improved circulation helps ensure that insulin and glucose can travel efficiently throughout the body, allowing for more effective glucose uptake by cells and better overall blood sugar management. Adding garlic to your meals is a simple and tasty way to boost your blood sugar control. Fresh garlic, in particular, retains its active compounds that offer the most potent health benefits. Whether you add it to stir-fries, soups, salads, or roasted vegetables, garlic can add a punch of flavor while supporting your blood sugar goals. You can also incorporate garlic into dressings, sauces, and marinades for a versatile addition to your dishes. For those looking to manage blood sugar levels naturally, garlic is an excellent addition to the diet. Its ability to improve insulin sensitivity, regulate glucose metabolism, and reduce inflammation makes it a powerful ally in the fight against blood sugar spikes and insulin resistance. So, next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a bit of garlic. Your taste buds and your blood sugar will thank you. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is often celebrated for its health benefits, and one of the standout reasons it's great for blood sugar management is its ability to help balance blood sugar levels. Whether you're looking to improve your insulin sensitivity or reduce post-meal spikes, incorporating ACV into your routine could provide a simple and effective solution. One of the main ways apple cider vinegar helps is by improving insulin sensitivity. When your body becomes less responsive to insulin, it can cause blood sugar to remain high for longer periods. ACV contains acetic acid, which has been shown to improve the efficiency of insulin, making it easier for your body to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. This leads to more stable blood sugar levels and can reduce the risk of blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, apple cider vinegar is particularly effective at reducing post-meal blood sugar spikes. After eating, blood sugar naturally rises, but if you have insulin resistance or are diabetic, these spikes can be more pronounced. ACV helps to mitigate this spike by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, which helps to prevent rapid glucose absorption into the bloodstream. This means that even if you consume a carbohydrate-rich meal, apple cider vinegar can help moderate the rise in blood sugar. The way ACV works is also linked to its ability to slow the rate at which food leaves your stomach. This delays the digestion of carbs, which can lead to slower, more controlled absorption of glucose. By taking ACV before meals, you can prepare your body to manage the blood sugar impact of the food you're about to consume. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your routine is by mixing 1 tablespoon of it with a glass of water. Drinking this mixture before meals can help activate its benefits, giving you the best results for balancing your blood sugar levels. If you find the taste too strong, you can also dilute it further or add a small amount of lemon juice or stevia for added flavor. Apple cider vinegar is a low-cost and natural option for anyone looking to enhance their blood sugar control. Whether you're dealing with diabetes or simply want to stabilize your blood sugar, ACV offers a simple, effective way to support healthy insulin function and reduce blood sugar spikes after meals. Just remember, always use it in moderation and consult with your doctor if you have any concerns, especially if you take medication for blood sugar management. By adding this powerhouse ingredient to your daily routine, you can take another step toward better blood sugar control and overall health. Key takeaways. To recap, the 7 powerful foods we've covered today are bitter melon, cinnamon, leafy greens, avocado, nuts, garlic, and apple cider vinegar. Each of these foods brings unique benefits to help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Incorporating these foods into your daily diet is a simple yet impactful way to support blood sugar control and overall health. Whether you're managing diabetes or just aiming to maintain stable blood sugar levels, these foods provide essential nutrients, healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that work together to help you achieve your goals. It's important to remember that food choices play a significant role in how your body handles blood sugar. By adding these nutrient-packed options to your meals, you're not only helping to lower your blood sugar, but also providing your body with the tools it needs for better overall well-being. Start making small changes by adding these powerful foods to your meals today. You can enjoy a variety of delicious meals that support healthy blood sugar levels, and over time, you'll likely notice a positive impact on how you feel. Take control of your health by making better food choices. It all starts with what's on your plate. Give these foods a try and see how they can benefit your blood sugar levels. Your body will thank you. By making simple changes to your diet, you can take control of your blood sugar and improve your overall health. These small adjustments can lead to big benefits, helping you feel better and manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. Which of these foods will you start eating today? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips and health advice. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.